Let's talk about a choice every working Canadian faces, TFSA or RRSP. This isn't about picking stocks or timing the market. It's about choosing the right account to build your wealth. The difference can mean tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. The right decision today could fund your retirement, help you buy a home, or give you financial freedom. Making no decision is like leaving a winning lottery ticket unclaimed. My goal? A straightforward chat, no jargon, just clear advice. We'll break down what TFSAs and RRSPs are, how they work, and how to use them to build real wealth. By the end, you'll know which is right for you, and how to use both to supercharge your financial future. The financial world seems complicated, but the basics are simple. The government gave us these two tools, TFSA and RRSP, to help us get ahead. All you need is the map to use them right. This video is that map. We'll cover the rules, real-life examples, and common pitfalls so you can avoid costly mistakes. This is about empowering you to take control. So, let's get started. Forget the confusion, and let's build your knowledge step by step. The journey to financial independence starts with choosing the right account. Let's make sure you're set up for success. First up, the tax-free savings account, TFSA. Don't let the name fool you. It's not just a savings account. Think of the TFSA as a container for investments. Stocks, bonds, ETFs, GICs, you name it. The magic? All growth inside is tax-free forever. Put in $10,000, it doubles. You withdraw $20,000. No tax ever. Every year you get new contribution room. $7,000 for 2025. If you've never contributed, your total room could be up to $95,000. Withdraw money? You get that room back next year. You contribute after tax dollars, but every dollar earned inside is yours to keep. It's perfect for any goal: a house, a car, a vacation, or retirement. The TFSA is simple, flexible, and powerful. Don't just park cash, invest for growth. Every Canadian should take full advantage of this account. Now, the Registered Retirement Savings Plan, RRSP. Around since 1957, it's built for retirement savings. The key is tax deferral. Contribute now, get a tax deduction, and pay tax later when you withdraw. Example: earn $80,000, contribute $10,000. You're taxed as if you made $70,000. Your investments grow tax-free until withdrawal. The catch? Withdrawals are fully taxable as income. The strategy: contribute when your income and tax rate is high, withdraw when it's lower in retirement. RRSP limit: 18% of last year's income, up to a government-set max. Unused room carries forward. Withdraw early, you lose the room and pay tax immediately. RRSPs are less flexible than TFSAs, best for long-term retirement savings. Use them to lower your tax bill now and save for the future. TFSA and RRSP, two powerful accounts, each with unique strengths. TFSA flexible, tax-free withdrawals perfect for any goal. RRSP tax-deductible contributions, tax-deferred growth best for retirement. TFSA uses after-tax dollars, RRSP uses pre-tax dollars. Both accounts shelter your investments from tax while inside. TFSA withdrawals are always tax-free. RRSP withdrawals are fully taxable. TFSA withdraw anytime, get the room back next year. RRSP withdraw early, lose the room and pay tax. TFSA is ideal for lower to middle income earners or those needing flexibility. RRSP is best for high earners wanting an immediate tax break and expecting a lower tax rate in retirement. It's not about which is better, it's about which fits your goals. Use both strategically for maximum advantage. Understanding these differences is the first step to a smart financial plan. Meet Maya, 25, just starting her career and earning $50,000. For Maya, the TFSA is the clear winner right now. She needs flexibility for future moves, education, or a home. TFSA lets her save and withdraw tax-free, with no penalty. RRSP's tax deduction isn't as valuable at her low income. By focusing on her TFSA, Maya bets her tax rate will rise as her career grows. She also preserves RRSP room for when her income is higher. Fast forward, Maya's earning $110,000. Now RRSP contributions make sense, saving her more in taxes. She can use her RRSP refund to top up her TFSA. For young Canadians, fill your TFSA first for flexibility and tax-free growth. RRSPs are powerful, but best used when your income and tax rate are higher. The TFSA is the perfect starter engine for building wealth. Now meet David, 45, earning $150,000. For David, the RRSP is the main tool. Every $1 he contributes gives a big tax break now. He expects to be in a lower tax bracket in retirement. so deferring tax makes sense. He should reinvest his RRSP refund ideally into his TFSA. After maxing his RRSP, David should also fill his TFSA for flexibility. RRSPs cut his tax bill and build his retirement nest egg. TFSAs offer tax-free growth for other goals, like a cottage or helping his kids. Using both accounts gives David control over his taxable income in retirement. He'll have both taxable RRSP income and tax-free TFSA income streams. This helps manage taxes and avoid government benefit clawbacks. For high earners, use both accounts to their full potential. Meet Chloe and Ben, saving for their first home. The TFSA is simple: contribute and invest, withdraw tax-free for a down payment. The RRSP offers the Home Buyers Plan, HBP, borrow up to $60,000 each, tax-free, for a down payment. Contribute to RRSP, get a tax refund, then withdraw under HBP. But you must repay the RRSP over 15 years, or pay tax on missed payments. If they're in a high tax bracket, the RRSP HBP strategy gives a big boost via the refund. For lower incomes, the TFSA is safer. No repayment, no risk to retirement savings. Often, the best approach is hybrid. Use RRSP for the HBP and put the refund and other savings into the TFSA. This combines the RRSP's tax boost with the TFSA's flexibility. Both accounts can help, but use them wisely. Know the rules, and you can buy your home faster. The right strategy depends on your income and goals. Don't leave free money on the table. Even with the rules clear, mistakes can cost you. First, don't treat your TFSA like a regular savings account. Invest for growth, not just cash. Second, don't overcontribute. The CRA charges a 1% monthly penalty on excess amounts. Always check your contribution room online before adding money. Third, avoid early RRSP withdrawals unless it's an emergency or for the home buyer's plan. Early withdrawals mean immediate tax, lost room, and possible higher taxes. Fourth, don't ignore RRSP conversion at age 71. You must convert to a RRIF or annuity, or face a big tax bill. Not planning for this can disrupt your retirement income. Know your limits, invest for growth, and plan for transitions. Avoid these mistakes to keep your wealth building on track. A little knowledge saves you thousands. Stay informed and stay ahead. We've covered the essentials. Now let's simplify. TFSA flexible, tax-free, great for any goal, especially when you're young or earning less. RRSP tax-deductible, tax-deferred, best for high earners and retirement savings. The best strategy? Use both, based on your income and goals. Young or low income? Focus on the TFSA. High income? Max out your RRSP for the tax break. Saving for a home? Use the RRSP for the HBP, then put the refund in your TFSA. Uncertain future? The TFSA keeps your options open. Nearing retirement? Max out both for tax diversification. The key: start now, be intentional, and contribute regularly. Even small amounts grow over time. Don't let indecision stop you. Action builds wealth. Use these accounts wisely, and your money will work for you. That's the secret to lasting wealth. You've taken a big step. Now it's time for action. These aren't just ideas, they're steps you can take today. Reflect on your income, goals, and where you are in life. Log into your CRA account and check your TFSA and RRSP room. That's your opportunity money you can shield from taxes. Open or review your accounts. Are you investing for growth? Are you using the right account for your situation? Make one small change this month, set up an automatic contribution, even $50. Building wealth is about consistent, smart decisions over time. You don't need to be a financial genius, just play by the rules. The TFSA and RRSP are your best tools. Use them wisely, and your future self will thank you. The power to build your financial life is in your hands. Start now, and let your money work as hard as you do. Go build your future.